Now we will learn about jump statements in Python. Jump statements in Python are used to break from any loop or break the normal flow of the program, or you can use continue or you can use pass statements. So we are having three statements: break, continue, or pass in Python as jump statements. Let's see the code. This program displays the use of break, continue, and pass. If you look at this code, I equals to 1 while I less than equals to 10, it simply means I starts from 1 and it will go till 10. Inside while there is a condition, if I equal 5, print encountered 5 and exiting the loop because of break, and then break. So break causes the termination of this loop and the control will transfer outside while. So that is this statement, bye break. Okay, next we have again I starts with 1, condition I less than equals to 10, and if I equal 5, this time encountered 5 moving to condition because of continue. I equals to I plus 1 and then continue. Actually continue causes the control to be transferred here where condition is written with while. In a while loop, if you write a continue statement, the control transfer directly to this place. So if I equal 5, it will print this, and if I don't use I equals to I plus 1, it will continue, it will go there. 5, if it is 5, it will check 5 less than 10, again it will enter this same if condition and it becomes an infinite loop. So to avoid infinite loop, I have changed I as I plus 1. So when I is 5, normally when I equals to 1, it is printed, then 2 is printed, 3 is printed, 4 is printed. When I is 5, it prints this message and it causes 6, and then continue causes the control to be transferred here. So 6 less than 10, again it prints 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then bye continue. And then last we have pass statement. I equals to 1, I less than equals to 10, I equal to 5, print this message and pass. Pass means simply do nothing, it will not do anything. So if I equal to pass, it will print the message, it will not do anything, and it will continue printing the value of I, that is 5. So we will get the value as I, value of I as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see the output of this program. One, two, three, 4 encountered 5 and exiting the loop because of break, and then bye break, because it printed 1, 2, 3, 4, and when it was 5, it causes the termination of the loop and it prints bye continue, bye break. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 encountered 5 moving condition because of continue, then 6, because continue causes the control to be transferred to condition. Then in the last pass, 1, 2, 3, 4 and got 5 doing nothing because of pass, and then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can see how these break, continue and pass work in Python. Take care. Bye.